crashing. Timothy Peters involved. Tyler Ankrum has taken a big hit.
Oh, Timothy Peters trying to get in a hole that's not there.
Yeah, Drew Dollar in the 51 didn't have anywhere to go.
No, that was not Drew Dollar's fault. To see if he's...
Look at the hands.
Gosh, it gets violent in a hurry, doesn't it, Jay?
Yeah,
you hear that?
I saw a different replay.
Trying to close a hole that was already occupied.
Yeah.
Several of those drivers just had absolutely nowhere to go.
John Hunter looks like...
See Austin Hill get turned into the wall right there.
Look at the two truck of Sheldon Creed and Matt Kraft, and they've been involved in about everything tonight, but just keep on making their way